This video will show you how to assemble the fender and rack dual mount. Insert and tighten the fender adapter to the rear rack sliding block. Mount the rear rack and fender with the adapter. Align the mounting holes on the rear rack to the ones on the upper and lower seat stay. Tighten the first set of rear rack fixing screws on the upper seat stay. Align and tighten the rear fender fixing screw on the seat stay bridge. Adjust the rack level and tighten the screws on the sliding block. Tighten both sides of fixing screws for rear rack and fender bracket fixing screw on the lower seat stay. Align the first mounting hole on the top of front fender to the one on the back side of the fork crown. Tighten the first fender fixing screw. Align the mounting holes on the front fender bracket to the ones on the lower side of the fork and tighten the screws. Enjoy your ride, and if you have more questions, please visit support.momentum-biking.com.